we try to bring in an inspirational speaker, and this year it's Devon Harris, the captain of the Jamaican bobsled team. And I just love his line is keep pushing. And I really think about our membership at this time in a very tough market. We need to have that kind of inspirational message that in our financial lives, in our personal lives, in our goals, to keep pushing and keep pursuing those dreams. If you can imagine a bobsled team in Jamaica and what he went through, I'm just really excited to hear about what his message is all about today.
You must always follow your dreams. You must always follow your dreams. And it doesn't matter how impossible they may seem, go after them, launch. Each of us has the ability to become that which we aspire to be. If you can dream it, you can be it.
So that was kind of the environment that I grew up in as I embarked from Olympic Gardens to the Olympic Games in Calgary, Canada in 1988, Albertville, France in 1992, and Nagano, Japan in 1998. Now this is what I know. At some time or another, we all will find ourselves in our version of our Olympic Gardens. Yeah, some of us were born into families that were living on the wrong side of the tracks, but there are other persons who will lose their jobs, lose their homes, grapple with struggling businesses, find themselves in a dead-end career, end up in a broken or dysfunctional relationship, struggle with serious health issues. The list goes on. And the tendency in those situations is to ask, why? Why me? But I find that to be such a disempowering position from which to operate. The question you have to ask is, where do I go from here? What do I want? Because you see, the thing that keeps us stuck in our Olympic Gardens, not the enormous challenges. It's not the perceived lack of opportunities. It's not the lack of hope. It's not the despair. What keeps us stuck is the fact that amidst all the chaos and the turmoil, we don't take the time to find that one little spot, like my lamppost outside my gate, where we can look and we can get a sneak peek of the enormous opportunities that lies just outside our current realities.
But I'm so grateful for that experience because it has left me with a really important, really valuable life lessons. You see, most people wait until everything is perfect before they go pursue their dreams. And sure, there is something to be said about doing your research, something to be said about having proper plans, but you cannot hold your dreams hostage to perfection. So we got started, although we didn't have a perfect plan. We got started on our dreams. And that principle, I believe, holds for any dream you may have, whether it's finishing a college degree, losing weight, saving money, you name it. You have to get started.
So decide what you want. Take responsibility, 100% responsibility for your life. Get clear about your why. Believe that it's possible. Take action and keep on pushing.
You've been awesome. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Devon. Thank you so much. Let's hear it again for Devon. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Excellent.